I wanted to address these apps in Kenya. These YouTubes, TikToks, Instagram, Facebook, all these apps we use here in Kenya. Especially the people, the CEOs who are in charge of these apps. You people, just because you're employed by these apps, it does not make you invincible. It does not make you not accountable to your fucking actions. Hizi umblena mmeanza, mna cancel tu watu. And of course, the person who you've cancelled the most is Andrew Kibe. Andrew Kibe is just an example. They use him as an example so that we cannot have people speaking their own minds. And these people they are targeting are men, not anybody else. Ni wanaume. These motherfuckers. So, they need to have a hard lesson. They cannot be operating like this. You come to our fucking country and you set the rules of how we are going to do things, and we allow you to operate in our country to make a fucking profit. Fuck you and your bullshit. This should not be allowed to continue. Haifai kuwa ati app ka YouTube inaweza cancel career ya msee ya podcaster juu amesema kitu haifai. When are we fucking slaves? We fought the British to get them out of our fucking country. Now you come with the same attitude. Fuck you and your bullshit. You fala inafaa ishe. This cancel culture ya hizi apps inafaa ishe. Anaongea hivyo juu Moi sensoriwa na TikTok. Instagram saa hili ilinifungia account sijui juu ya nini. Just because I spoke my fucking mind. Fuck you. I'll speak my mind because I'm a fucking man. I don't care what you people do to me. But your time in this country, hivyo mnaendelea cooperate. Your time is coming to a fucking end. When the men have woken up, mtajua hamjui. So stop with this bullshit. You are being invited to make a profit in this country. Act accordingly. Or when the men of this country are tired of your bullshit, hamtapenda maumbo.